name is Anya, and today I really want to make some coffin brownies with some white chocolate bones. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1 1/4 cup of flour, add 1 teaspoon baking powder, add a half cup of cocoa powder. Mix until well combined. Cream together 250 grams of butter and 1 1/2 cups of sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 4 eggs, one at a time. Mix until well combined. Add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix until well combined. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture. Mix until well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix until well combined. Add a 1/4 cup of chopped up chocolate. Spoon batter into prepared pan. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Melt some white chocolate and on a piece of parchment paper, type out bone shapes. I use balls of tin foil for the hands. Once your brownies have cooled, cut the corners off and a little of the side to form a coffin shape. Go around the edges with white chocolate and either draw RIP in the middle or a cross. You can either leave the coffins whole, or you can cut the coffins open and fill with the white chocolate bones.